Watch this, y'all. He fucked this up. This be the last video y'all seen him in. Last time y'all seen Krazy, he's a dead man. Ain't that right, BG? Huh?
I got splash on me. Neighbors say I'm getting too much paper. I got racks on me. Niggas mad cause I'm having cash. I got splash on me. Neighbors say I'm getting too much paper. I got racks on me. Niggas mad cause I'm having cash. I got a bag on me. Neighbors say I got too many cars. I got tags. I got so much drill. They can't stand the drill. I got a splash on me.
Niggas getting mad cause they bad too weak. And I'm rich, been having paper. I had a bag all week. I want the money, I ain't doing no favors. I be like, hi, bye, see you later. I'm in the push, start the alligator. I got a whole lot of paper. Whole lot of shoe drip too exclusive. Whole lot of hundreds, hardly ever use it. I be like, baby, really on the truth. Call all the niggas all in my crew. I be in the coupe, hopping out the roof. MG being bad, I'm finna school. Swimming through benches like I'm in the pool. Whole lot of hundreds, bet I need a tube. Nigga on the drip, can't stand my drip. Real big drip, blue hunters in here. No, I ain't crippin', but I got a big clip. All in the bill, can't stand in here. Real big stat, and I got a good grip. Think about robbing, you ain't taking this here. All white family, just call a new whip. Stay in your lane, nigga, watch what you steal. I'm getting the green, that mean I'ma go. Put in the work, I swear I'ma blow. Shout out Young PJ, yeah, that my little woe. Swear he gon' hit, he thumpin' for sure. It's on the drill, I rock it toe to toe. I'm having money, I can't go roll no more. I got a whole lot of different flow.
Neighbors say I'm getting too much paper. I got racks on me. Niggas mad cause I'm having cash. I got a bag on me. Neighbors say I got too many cars. I got tags on me.
I'm getting to this bread paper chase. I'ma do the dash, highway race. Niggas won't know, smoke, end up in the basement. I got some head yesterday, it was amazing. I come from Lakewood, she suck my dick and she say this shit tastes good. Where I come from, if it's caught, it ain't no good. These niggas robbing, I swear they got no hood. I'm on 3 and that's where I'ma be at. 40 hit you, break you up like a Kit Kat. Niggas cap the breath, stank need a tit tat. Nigga try me, he get burned like a lit match. Fuck a fan, yeah, tell that bitch get back. Get back from the mud, yeah, that's where I started. Loud pat, yeah, smell like I farted. I'm getting head, yeah, I think she retarded. I'm feeding cause niggas think that I'm Marcus. Fuck the trade, I ain't talking about nothing. like I'm in the pool. Whole lot of hundreds, bet I need a tube. Nigga on the jerk, can't stand my jerk. Real big jerk, blue hunters in here. No, I ain't crippin', but I got a big clip. All in the Ville, can't stand in here. Real big stat, and I got a good grip. Think about robbing, you ain't taking this here. All white furniture, call a new whip. Stay in your lane, nigga, watch what you steal.